What is up, YouTube? It is Mikey, and today we are going to be playing Build a Boat for Treasure on Roblox. So let's play. I am on the green team. Shout out to Art 1500000. That's Art 94444. Shout out to you guys, and I'm literally here's. Oh my god, yeah, just a decent boat. I mean, I know it didn't look amazing, but oh my god. It's a decent boat. I mean, I'm not bad at boat making, but I'm not actually as very good. So, dude, I'm going to get this. Come on, no, and I went past it. Past it. Yes, dude. Then I will. Then, dude. Right. Come on, seriously. Why would I do that? That's. Come on. Sorry. Thanks. Thanks, you get a shout. You're a good man. I think I'm just gonna be really mean and do something. Actually, I'm gonna beg. I've done it. If he does it while mid-building, if he does that, I am going to be quite angry because it can happen. So say you go build, right, and you're in the middle of building something and like they start it. It is really annoying. So I'm not going to just like do a roof. A roof. I know isn't the best roof in the world, but I'll do for now, dude. It will do for now. I've got a pretty solid roof. Let's launch this thing or what? I'm gonna be like, and guys, shout out to my friends who play Roblox. AsmoCoin111 on Amy877, YummySugar45, and FloorIce112, and now YouTubers. There's NewTechJJYT. Subscribe to him and subscribe to Jib and Mick. Good, do that. Smash that like button. Smash. Sorry, I literally just lost words, guys. I was like, oh, come on, launch this thing or what? Come on, launch this. I'll be like, launch. Do launch with an exclamation mark. Yo. Launch. Hello, launch. Actually, launch. Come on. I might actually help our roof a bit to make it a bit better. Right, since they're obviously not doing it, I was like, dude, might as well. Also, guys, shout out to my mum. Say hi, mum.
Yo, dudes.
My mum's a bit embarrassing. Sorry, dudes. What? Honestly. If he does that and I have no seat, I am going to be so mad. And if he took my seat, that is purely mean, dude. I hate him. That is really mean. Whoa. Fine, you get a seat. Whoa. Dude. Dude, you're not going to be able to get out of this. No, he can't get out now. He's not getting out. He can't even get out. What? Yep, there. It is a solid boat. See, we have a very solid boat, my friend. Come on. I mean, this is like a top-notch boat. I mean, we are using all of our resources. Like, dude, I am cornering everything to do this. I need to corner that. I got corner that, dude. Corner anything. Dude, I need... Dude. Since we need more, let's cover this with a door. I know that is I know that is really bad. I know it's so stupid, but still, like, we've got like stuff here, dude. We have this. I'm gonna see if I can actually put like blocks like next to it, and that's like. Well, I actually think that's pretty cool, dude. Right, is anyone gonna launch these? I think the guy over there is pretty jealous. Come on, he looks so jealous. He looks so jealous. I reckon he is so jealous he's like not clicking the launch. My dude, click the launch. Launch, dudes. Launch. Yay, sweet, sweet. You. It's fun. Fun. Come on. No. Come on, people. Come on. Sorry guys, but I have to end the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down below if you want me to do any more videos. See you guys soon, bye!